Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build an AI chatbot with Chatbase in 2026. Whether it's for your website, online store, or customer support, Chatbase makes creating an AI assistant quick and simple. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, click Create AI Agent * to begin. Next, choose how you want to train your chatbot. Yeah, you can upload PDF files, connect your website, add text manually, or use other supported data sources to teach your AI. Now give your chatbot a name and write clear instructions about how it should respond. The more specific your instructions are, the better your chatbot's answers will be. After that, let Chatbase process your data, then open the preview chat to test your AI assistant. Ask a few questions and make changes if you want to improve its responses. Once you're happy with the results, publish your chatbot and copy the embed code or shareable link to add it to your website or send it directly to users. And that's it. You've successfully built your own AI chatbot with Chatbase. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.